why is sampling and quantization is required? So to convert analog signals into digital signals, sampling which deals with the study of time axis. Let's solve some questions. First one, let's see this question. Integration of minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power of minus t delta of t 2t minus 2 into dt, where delta t is a Dirac delta. So find out the location. T is equal to 1. T is equal to 2 by 2. So 1 1. Therefore the location will be t is equal to 1. So put that t is equal to 1 in the given equation. Integration of minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power of minus t into 1 by 2 delta of t minus 1. E to the power, put 1 as in the place of t, e to the power of minus 1 into 1 by 2. So e to the power of minus 1 by 2. Therefore the final answer will be 1 divided by 2 into e to the 2 to the power of e. Next, second, integration of minus 2 to 6 delta of t minus 1 plus delta of t plus 3 minus delta of t minus 5 into dt. So first find out the location of the given problems. So the location will be t is equal to 1, location will be t is equal to minus 3, location will be 5 plus 5. So first see the locations are included in the limit. See in this minus 3 is not in the limit. In limit only we have minus 2 to 6. So this one is eliminated from the problem. So next continue. Integration of minus 2 to 6 delta of t minus 1 is equal to 1 minus integration of minus 2 to 6 delta of t minus 5 will be minus 1. Therefore plus 1 minus 1. So the answer will be 0. Next, find the value of the given integral. I is equal to integration of 1 to 2 5 t square plus 1 into delta t is. Let's take the given equation. We find out the location. T will be 0. Therefore see the location is not present in the integration limit, because the integration limit is starting from 1 to 2. Therefore the answer will be 0. Next question, y of t is equal to integration of minus infinity to t 2 into delta of alpha minus 3 minus 3 into delta of alpha minus 5 plus delta of alpha minus 7. First find out the location of the given signal. So alpha will be plus 3, alpha will be plus 5, alpha will be plus 7. Next, take this 2 outside and integration of minus infinity to plus infinity delta of t minus 3. Take minus 3 outside. Delta of the integration of minus infinity to t delta of alpha minus 5 plus, here it will be comes outside as a 1. So minus infinity to plus t delta of alpha minus 7 into d alpha. So let's write the in the equation form. So 2. So delta has only one value. Therefore 1 into, when t is less than 3 it will be 1. When t is when t is greater, one second, when t is greater than 3 it will be, value will be 1. When t is less than 3 it will be 0. Next, take this minus 3 outside. So 1, location will be 5. Therefore t is greater than 5 when value will be 1. If t is less than 5 means value will be 0. Next, integration of take here it will, we will get outside 1. So location will be 7. So if t is greater than 7 means answer will be the 1. T is less than 7 means answer will be the 0. So we have to take the points. Create a straight line. It is a t axis. Take this 3, this 5 and this 7. First see here at t the value will be 2. Plot up to 2. So this is a 2. Next, see we have minus 3. So plus 2 minus 3. Answer will be minus 1. So here will be the minus 1. We will get minus 1. Next, see plus 2 minus 3 plus 1. So the answer will be plus 2 minus 3 plus 1. Solve this problem. Plus 2 minus 3 plus 1. So the answer will be 0. Hence it will get like this. So it is a final signal. This is the final signal. Next, we will study about the rectangular functions. So what is the formula of the rectangular function? A when minus tau by 2 less than t less than tau by 2. 0 it will be else. First problem. 10 into rectangular of t by 30. Keep this 10 at this. Minus 30 by 2 less than 2 less than 30 by 2. 0 else. So we will get minus 15. 10 minus 15 less than t less than 15. 0 else. So let's plot this graph. Here it will get minus 15. Here plus 15. Above we will get 10. Next question. Draw the rectangle. 10 rectangle of minus 2t plus 15 divided by 20. See, this is type of numerator and it is denominator. So what is the formula? A into minus denominator by 2 less than t less than plus denominator by 2. It will be 0. It will be else. So we have denominator 20. Minus 20 by 2 less than, it is a numerator. Minus 2t plus 5 less than 20 by 2. So we will get 10 minus 10 less than minus 2t plus 15, 10. So solve this equation. See here, minus 10 minus 2t plus 15 less than 10. We have to divide with minus 2 and we have to subtract with the plus 15. So first subtract this to minus 15 and minus 10. We will get minus 25 less than minus 2t, where minus 15 minus 10 will be 5. Then divide by 2. 25 by 2, the answer will be minus 12.5 less than t less than 2.5. If we plot this number here, means we will get positive integers. 2.5 less than t less than 12.5. Then we have to plot the graph. So minus 2.5 less than t less than 12.5, we will get 10. For 0 it will be else. So it is coming at positive side, means here 2.5, here the 12.5, at 10 we will getting the, so it is will be the 10. Next formula. So what is the formula for rectangular? Is here it is a varying from minus tau by 2 to minus tau by 2 less than t less than tau by 2. It will be 0 at else. For if we get the problem which are related to numerator and denominator, the formula will be a minus denominator by 2 less than numerator less than denominator by 2. It will be 0 for else. Let's see the triangular functions. See the triangular functions. What is the formula? A into triangle t by tau. So triangular minus tau less than t less than tau. It will be 0 at else. 5 into triangle of t by 10. So what is the formula? Triangle minus 10 denominator minus 10 less than t less than 10. So it will be 0 at else. So let's plot the graph. It will be varying from minus 10 to plus 10. Midpoint will be the 5. Next problem. 5 into triangle of 2t plus 50 divided by 40. It is a numerator and it is the denominator. First, the triangle of minus 40, numerator 2t plus 50, denominator plus 40. It will be 0 at else. So first subtract by plus 50 and divide by 2. You will get triangle minus 90 less than 2t, minus 90 less than 2t less than minus 10. After dividing, you will get triangle of minus 45 less than t less than minus 5. For 0 it will be else. So let's plot the graph. It is a graph from minus 45 minus 5 at it will be the 5 point. So the to find out the midpoint, take minus 45 plus of minus 5 divided by 2. It will become 50 by 2. So the answer will be minus 25. So the 25 will be the midpoint. So next one. 5 into delta of 2t plus 10 by 50. So let's, this is the triangle. Minus 50 denominator less than numerator less than denominator. For 0 it will be else. Solve this equation. Minus 50 less than 2t plus 10 less than 50. You will get minus 30 less than t less than 20. So triangle of minus 30 less than 10 less than 20. For 0 it will be else. So let's plot this graph. Here this minus 30 plus 20. Midpoint, upper point will be the 5. To find now we have to find out the midpoint. What is the formula? Minus 30 plus 20 divided by 2. So the answer will be minus 5. Here the minus 5 is the